Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Oma Cakes and Food, and in this channel we show you everything concerning cakes and food. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a vault line on a cake. If today is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, share my post to your loved one, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. So to make this cake, I have my happy birthday cake topper, Ferrero Rocher Abi Ferrero Rocher chocolate. Don't mind me, guys. The golden balls. Then I'll be using a baby pink gel food color. I'll be using spatula for this cake comb, and then I'll be using buttercream. It's not a must; it has to be a white buttercream. Anyway, I have a video of where I made this white buttercream in case if you want to learn how to make a white buttercream. So you can use any type of buttercream or whipped cream, buttercream or anything to do this. So I will start by mixing the color to the butter, but I want you to bear this in mind. Whenever you're adding color to anything, don't add much of it. Just be adding it gradually, bit by bit. You add, you mix, you add, you mix, because you don't want to have excess of the color. It's better you just add it gradually than to do away with your fondant buttercream or whipped cream because you have already poured excess of it. So I had to continue turning until I achieved the desired color I wanted. So I am okay with this color I have finally achieved. This is the color I want, and I am okay with this color. So I will go ahead by applying this color to the already made cake that I have designed. So what I just want here now is that vault line. So this is me applying the butter to the cake. When you're applying this butter to the cake, always remember to be generous with it. So add enough of the butter to the designed cake. So, guys, I want you to know this. Whenever you're done combing and you end up having holes just like mine, just remember to fill it up. Don't be scared, don't panic. Just fill it up and continue to do your combing until you achieve a smooth and perfect outcome.